Hey everyone, Maggie Nolan here with Living Radiant Photography, but I'm not talking about photography today. I am kicking off this week with a video talking about 10 super easy projects to do during quarantine. So if you know us, if you follow us on Instagram, you know that our life always has projects going on, but now that we are home indefinitely, we definitely have a lot of projects going on. So today I'm going to kick off with 10 easy home projects to do while being quarantined, okay? So number one, declutter a foyer closet, go through the clothes and the shoes and update it to the season that we're in and going to be in. So really excited to show you what that looks like. Number two, go through summer clothes that are in your closet or in your winter and summer bins. Go through your clothes. Number three, have your kids go through their toy bins. They have so many toys. I only have one little boy with another on the way, and I have too many toys. Number four, Facebook Marketplace. Sell your items that you want to get rid of. So this is an easy task. It's super easy to use the app and upload. We do porch pickup with Venmo. Number five, garden and landscape. Whether it's seeding your grass, whether it's adding mulch to a garden bed, we have been outside every day on beautiful days during quarantine, just working on our property. This house has gotten so much love in the last month than it has in a lot of years, and it's just because we have the time. We're trying to stay home. Number six, this is my goal today, is cleaning out the junk drawer. We all accumulate stuff. We all have like lots and lots of stuff we just don't need in that junk drawer. So if you love your junk drawer, just organize it so you can actually find the stuff in it that you need. Number seven, go through your kitchen cabinets. So I actually went through and reorganized all of our kitchen cabinets, and I just did it by shelf. I went through every shelf. I figured out what I wanted the shelf to be, what I wanted to keep. If I didn't want something, I put it in a box to figure out if I was going to sell or donate it. I also did my spices. I went through and just cleaned up my spice rack. So super easy project. You can do it in a day. I guess depending on how big or little your house is. Mine only took me not even like an hour or 2 hours. Number eight, this is a fun one. Reorganize the pantry. So before you dive into this, figure out what you actually want your pantry to look like. I knew that I wanted containers for specific things. I knew that I wanted a place for all my canned goods that weren't just stacked behind each other, but like on a rolling system that I could grab and it would bring the next one up. So I ordered some things on Amazon. It took Amazon Prime. It took a couple of days to get here, but once it got here, I could really organize it. So I took everything out, put the things in that I wanted, and then the organization systems that I wanted, and then I repacked it and reorganized it. So that's a day project. Number nine, this is really easy, but for some of you it might be really hard. Shoe organization. So for us, we have shoes on the first floor and in our closet. Our first floor shoes in our foyer closet. This kind of goes with number one, but there's shoes that we wear every day. There's outdoor shoes, indoor shoes, slippers. We even have extra space for guests. So I ended up redoing my shoe system because I just didn't want them I had them in a box. I had them like in a laundry basket thing, and they just, mud falls at the bottom. They kind of like stack on top of each other. So I decided let's order a really great, easy, inexpensive object organization rack where I could have multiple layers of shoes. Number 10 is a fun one. I love number 10. You're gonna make a list of all the projects you wanna do during quarantine that aren't as easy as the 9 that I just went through. This could be anything from like running new drainage, repainting a shed, sanding it, painting it. So I hope this video was helpful. I hope you guys liked it. Thanks so much for watching. More coming your way.